Shivmangal Singh Suman, the Poet Laureate of Indian Literature. Shivmangal Singh Suman, born on August 5, 1915, and passing away on November 27, 2002, was an eminent Indian poet, academic, and critic, whose contributions to Hindi literature remain unparalleled. Known for his evocative poetry and profound insights into human emotions and societal issues, Suman's works have left an indelible mark on Indian literature. His poems often reflected themes of patriotism, humanism, and the beauty of nature, resonating deeply with readers across generations. Early life and education, birth and family. Shivmangal Singh Suman was born in Jagapur, a small village in the Unnao district of Uttar Pradesh, India. His family was rooted in traditional Indian values, and this cultural heritage significantly influenced his literary journey. Education. Suman pursued his early education in his native village and later moved to Allahabad for higher studies. He completed his master's degree in Hindi from the University of Allahabad, where he was deeply influenced by the literary environment and the works of contemporary poets and scholars. His academic excellence and passion for literature laid the foundation for his illustrious career. Literary career, early works and recognition. Suman began writing poetry at a young age. His early works were published in various literary magazines, garnering attention from established poets and critics. His first collection of poems, Hillol, published in 1939, marked the beginning of his significant contribution to Hindi poetry. Major works and themes. Suman's poetry is characterized by its simplicity, lyrical beauty, and deep emotional resonance. Some of his most celebrated works include Mukti Ki Or, Pratinidhi Kavitaen, and Vikshat. His poems often explore themes of freedom, social justice, and the beauty of nature, capturing the essence of human experiences and societal changes. Influence and style. Influenced by the Chayavad, Neo-Romanticism movement in Hindi literature, Suman's style is marked by its lyrical quality and profound philosophical insights. His poems seamlessly blend traditional Indian ethos with contemporary themes, making his work timeless and universally appealing. Academic contributions. Teaching career. Apart from his literary pursuits, Suman had a distinguished career in academia. He served as a professor and later as the Vice-Chancellor of Vikram University in Ujjain. His tenure as an academic was marked by his dedication to promoting Hindi literature and nurturing young poets and scholars. Literary criticism and essays. Suman also made significant contributions to literary criticism. His essays and critical writings provided deep insights into the works of various poets and literary movements. His scholarly approach and keen analytical skills enriched the understanding of Hindi literature. Awards and honors. Recognition and awards. Suman's contributions to literature were widely recognized, earning him numerous awards and honors. He was the recipient of the prestigious Padma Bhushan 1999 and Padma Shri 1974 awards, two of India's highest civilian honors. He also received the Sahitya Akademi Award 1974 for his poetry collection Mitir. Legacy and impact. Suman's legacy extends beyond his poetry. He played a crucial role in popularizing Hindi literature and bringing it to a global audience. His works continue to inspire poets, scholars, and readers, reflecting the enduring relevance of his thoughts and ideas. Personal life and philosophy. Personal life. Despite his literary fame, Suman led a humble and disciplined life. He was deeply rooted in Indian culture and traditions, which were reflected in his works and personal philosophy. His commitment to social causes and his empathy for the underprivileged were evident in his writings and public life. Philosophical beliefs. Suman's poetry often delved into philosophical themes, exploring the deeper meaning of life and human existence. He believed in the power of literature to bring about social change and inspire individuals to strive for a better world. His poems are a testament to his belief in human potential and the enduring spirit of resilience. Shivmangal Singh Suman's life and work embody the quintessence of Indian literary tradition. His profound poetry, academic contributions, and philosophical insights have left a lasting impact on Hindi literature. Suman's ability to capture the essence of human emotions, societal changes, and the beauty of nature in his verses has made him a timeless poet. His legacy continues to inspire and resonate with readers, ensuring that his contributions to literature are cherished and remembered for generations to come.